Welcome to Unfold Data Science, friends. My name is Aman and I am a data scientist. In this video, I am going to talk about one of my plan on Unfold Data Science channel. Okay. So recently in second week of Fab, the Machine Learning Developers Summit concluded. Okay. Due to this pandemic, it was a virtual event this year. So every year this event happens around same time. Okay. But this year it was a virtual event, and the main attraction of this event is 40 under 40 data scientists. Okay. Now what is this 40 under 40 data scientists? So people who are younger, so who are below 40, and from that set who are the best 40 data scientists, they are awarded in this annual event. Okay. So many data scientists go and apply for that award or nominate themselves, and then based on the voting and based on the expert advice, 40 under 40 best data scientists are chosen every year. So last year also it was done. I just went through that article around same time. This year also it was done. I just thought, why not use this list, use this opportunity to get in touch with some of the great data scientists, right? And also, why not learn from their experience and their knowledge, right? So I'm dropping a link here in the description. You can read about their profiles first. Okay. So some of them are from retail, some of them are from finance, some of them are experts in insurance domain, some of them are experts in energy domain. So there are people coming from various domains, various backgrounds. Okay. They carry a lot of experience, guys, and this list is very prestigious thing to have in one's profile. Why I'm telling you all this? Now comes the plan. Okay. So I am personally trying to get in touch with all of these 40 people who are selected in 40 under 40 for this year. Okay. I am already in talk with some of them, and what my intention is, guys, I will try to learn from their experience, and I'll try to make you also learn from their knowledge and experience. I'm going to request all of these people to come to Unfold Data Science and talk about their experience. I don't know how many of them will accept my invite. Let's say 4 or 1 or 30, I don't know. But I'm going to reach to all of them, and I'm going to just request them, come to Unfold Data Science, talk about your experience, talk about what freshers should do, what experienced candidates should do, where the industry is moving, how do you see things coming forward, which kind of people will be in demand, which kind of technology will be in demand, and many things from their experience, right? So my intention is to bring them on Unfold Data Science, learn from them, and all of us should learn from them. That is what the plan is, guys. If you want to read about their profile, link is there in the description. If you want to know more about them, of course they are coming on this channel. Obviously I'll reach to them if I'm able to get them, well and good. If not, I'll try my level best to get as many people as I can get. Okay. So I hope you like this idea, guys. If yes, give me a thumbs up. Write me in comment what do you feel about this channel, this video. And also, I will request you kindly subscribe to the channel if you have not done yet, and press the bell icon as well. I'll see you all in the next video, guys. Till then, wherever you are, stay safe and take care.